In this video of MeasureSquare Mobile for Android phone, we will be going over how to create worksheets, proposals, and reports. Then share them with our clients, colleagues, and installers. Once your takeoff is complete, tap on Reports, then Worksheet. Here you will see all the products you have applied to your project. Tap Edit at the top right, then tap on Worksheet Info to adjust the tax rate and add instructions. Once complete, tap on Done. To edit any of the items on the proposal, tap on the product, then tap on the field you wish to edit. Ready to collect a signature and share. From the worksheet, tap on Edit, Preview, the Settings gear icon at the top right, then tap Signature and Settings, tap and select Signature, Signature Proposal. Now you can collect the client's signature. Tap Done and back out until you reach the proposal at the preview screen. We are now ready to share your worksheet. Tap on the share icon and select the method to share, such as email. To share a report, such as the seam diagram, tap Reports, Print. Tap the Settings icon, Signature Settings. Select a category to edit in these panels. You can toggle on and off what you would like to include in your report, such as the proposal show sales tax. Once you are done, tap the back button until you reach the preview screen, and share by tapping on the share icon and selecting a sharing method. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to see more videos like this. Happy measuring.